Scrum is not a software tool. It is a repeating loop, plan, build, inspect, that keeps a team aligned without drowning in meetings. Teams run stand-ups, buy Jira, call it agile, and still miss deadlines. Boards look busy. Demos never happen. That is not a people problem. It is a missing Scrum map. In the next few minutes, you will learn the core fork, 5 events in the loop, 3 roles, 3 artifacts, 1 example sprint, and the trade-off triangle behind every sprint argument. One, cadence. Scrum runs fixed-length sprints with a clear start and stop. Random agile chaos reacts sprint to sprint with no rhythm. 2. Commitment. Scrum locks a sprint goal the team can finish. Chaos keeps adding work mid-sprint because everything feels urgent. 3. Feedback. Scrum reviews what shipped and retros how the team works. Chaos discovers gaps only at the deadline. 4. Owners. Scrum names 3 roles with clear seats. Chaos assumes one hero PM can play every part. That is the core fork. Now walk the loop. Stage 1. Sprint planning. The team picks a sprint goal and pulls work from the backlog. Example: 1 customer journey, not the whole roadmap. Stage 2. Daily Scrum. 15 minutes to sync blockers and plan the day. Example: 3 questions, not a status meeting marathon. Stage 3. Build. Deliver a working increment every sprint. Example: demo-ready software, not slides about progress. Stage 4. Sprint review. Show stakeholders what actually shipped. Example: live demo with real feedback, not a deck of intentions. Stage 5. Sprint retrospective. Improve how the team works before the next sprint starts. Example: 1 process fix committed on the board. 3 seats, and if any one is empty, the loop wobbles. 1. Product owner. Owns what and priority. Without that seat, everything is urgent. 2. Scrum master. Owns process and blockers. Without that seat, the team fights itself. 3. Development team. Owns how to build. Without that seat, no shared ownership of delivery. 3 artifacts hold the loop together. 1. Products backlog. Ordered work waiting for a sprint. 2. Sprint backlog. The goal plus work committed this sprint. 3. Increment. The working output that meets the definition of done. Walk a 2-week sprint on a concrete example. Stage 1. Pick top backlog items and set 1 sprint goal. Onboard new users in week 1. Stage 2. Daily scrums. Unblock API access on day 3. Stage 3. Build. Ship a working sign-up flow by day 9. Stage 4. Review. Demo to stakeholders on day 10. Stage 5. Retro. Commit to clearer acceptance criteria before Sprint 2. Same 5 events, smaller scale. Notice each stage has an output before the next one starts. Here is the trade-off triangle for sprint decisions. 3 levers. 1. Scope, the sprint goal and what the team committed. 2. Time, the fixed sprint length you do not extend. 3. Quality, the definition of done the increment must meet. Expand one lever but keep the others fixed and something breaks, usually quality or the team's weekends. 4 mistakes that break Scrum without anyone noticing. 1. Scrum theatre. Stand up some boards with no review, retro, or working increment. 2. Missing product owner. The team guesses priority every morning. 3. Endless sprint. No retro, no learning loop, just permanent firefighting. 4. Tool first. Jira configured before anyone can draw the loop on a whiteboard. That is the full loop. 5 events, 3 roles, 3 artifacts, 1 increment every sprint. Screenshot the diagrams as they build. 1. Draw the 5-event loop before you pick software. 2. Name all 3 roles, even if one person wears 2 hats temporarily. 3. Write a definition of done before sprint 1. 4. Run one full sprint before you scale the team. 5. Measure progress by increments shipped, not meetings held. Next, scope creep explained. Why projects blow up. Subscribe to How Work Works.